Ladies and gentlemen, we all have dreams, visions of where we want to be, goals we want to achieve, and changes we want to see in our lives. But too often we wait for a sign, a confirmation, or a success before we start behaving like the person we aspire to become. Today I want to tell you something that could transform the way you live and the way you reach those dreams. Act as if you have already won. What does that mean? It means embracing a mindset where you operate from a place of victory, even when success hasn't fully manifested. When you carry yourself with the posture of someone who has already achieved what they want, you create an unstoppable momentum. The world begins to see you differently, and most importantly, you begin to see yourself differently. It starts with belief. You have to believe in yourself before anyone else does. Picture the person you'll become when you reach your goal. How do they walk? How do they walk? How do they talk? How do they carry themselves? Now start acting like that person right now today. Even before you receive the promotion, even before you land the dream job, even before you cross the finish line, act like the winner you are becoming. Because the truth is, the only difference between you and the person who has already won is the action you take and the belief you hold. By acting as though you've already won, you'll start to see obstacles differently. They won't feel like walls anymore, they'll feel like stepping stones. Every challenge will become a chance to prove how strong you already are. Doubt and fear, they'll lose their power over you. You'll see them for what they are: temporary emotions that have no control over the person who is determined to win. When you walk into a room with the confidence of someone who has already achieved success, people take notice. Your energy, your drive, your vision, they become contagious. You inspire others to believe in their own victories, to act in alignment with their goals. You create a ripple effect where your courage encourages those around you to step up and claim their own success. But here's the key: it takes commitment. It's not enough to act like a winner when things are easy. The real power comes when you maintain that mindset during the tough times, when the road gets bumpy, and when success seems far away. Acting as if you've already won means staying the course, even when no one else can see your finish line. It means persisting, even when you're the only one cheering for yourself. So my message to you today is simple: don't wait for the victory to act like you've won. Stand tall now, walk with purpose now, live like the success is already yours. Because when you do, you align your actions, your energy, and your mindset with the future you're creating. Success begins long before it's visible to the outside world. It starts with a mindset, a mental attitude that drives everything you do. When you cultivate the mentality of a winner, you lay the groundwork for achievement, often without even realizing it. To act as if you have already won is not about arrogance or pretending. It's about tapping into a deep sense of confidence and conviction that fuels your actions and shapes your outcomes. Let's explore what this mindset really entails and how it can be the key to unlocking your full potential. Picture yourself already standing at the pinnacle of success, whatever that looks like for you. Maybe it's landing that dream job, starting a successful business, or simply reaching a personal goal you've been working toward for years. In that moment of achievement, how do you feel? How do you move through the world? How do you speak to others? And most importantly, how do you speak to yourself? Now ask yourself this: why wait until you've crossed the finish line to start embodying that version of yourself? Why not adopt that same mindset right now before the external rewards come? The truth is, success isn't something that suddenly appears one day. It's something you build every single day with your thoughts, actions, and attitude. Acting as if you have already won helps you to step into the future version of yourself, the person you are becoming, even before others can see it. When you start with the mindset of victory, everything changes. Instead of approaching challenges from a place of fear or uncertainty, you tackle them with the confidence of someone who knows the outcome is already in their favor. This shift in perspective is powerful because it transforms how you deal with adversity. Challenges no longer seem like insurmountable obstacles, but rather temporary hurdles that you will overcome. You begin to expect success, and that expectation shifts the way you engage with your goals. Instead of hesitating or doubting yourself, you act decisively, knowing that every action you take is moving you closer to where you want to be. This mentality affects how you present yourself to the world. When you walk into a room with the belief that you've already won, people notice. It's not about being boastful or overconfident. It's about carrying yourself with a quiet assurance that stems from inner belief. Others will sense this energy, and they'll begin to treat you in accordance with how you see yourself. You'll find that opportunities come more readily and that people are more willing to support you. Why? Because people gravitate toward those who believe in themselves. When you act like a winner, you send out signals that you're someone who is destined for success, and people want to be part of that journey. Another powerful aspect of cultivating this mindset is that it helps you stay focused and driven, even when external results are not immediately visible. It's easy to feel motivated when things are going well, but the real test comes during the quiet moments when progress feels slow and the road ahead looks long. Acting as if you've already won keeps you motivated because it keeps you connected to the bigger picture. Even when there are setbacks, your mindset of victory reminds you that those setbacks are temporary. You're not shaken by failure because in your mind, success is already a reality. You just haven't reached that chapter of your story yet. This mindset helps you make decisions from a place of abundance rather than scarcity. When you believe that you've already won, you stop making choices based on fear or lack. Instead, you make decisions that align with your long-term vision, even if they require more risk or effort in the short term. You invest in yourself, your skills, and your future because you know that success is not a matter of if, but when. This mental shift encourages you to take bolder actions and to seize opportunities that others might shy away from. The beauty of acting as if you've already won is that it's a self-fulfilling prophecy. The more you believe in your own success, the more you act in ways that bring that success closer. Your actions create momentum, and that momentum creates results. By stepping into the mindset of a winner before the world recognizes you as one, you accelerate the process of becoming the person you were always meant to be. So don't wait. Don't wait for the applause, the accolades, or the proof that you're on the right track. Start now, today, with the mindset that you've already won. Because once you believe it, the rest will follow. Belief in oneself is often cited as a cornerstone of success, and for good reason. Confidence and self-belief are powerful forces that can dictate the direction of your life. When you act as if you have already won, you cultivate an unshakable confidence that not only propels you forward, but also influences the way others perceive and interact with you. This is because how you see yourself plays a pivotal role in how the world sees you. Confidence begins internally, with the thoughts and beliefs you hold about yourself. If you approach a goal or challenge with doubt, uncertainty, or hesitation, that energy seeps into everything you do. It affects your body language, your decisions, and even your ability to persevere in the face of obstacles. When you shift your mindset to one of self-assurance, when you carry yourself with the certainty that you are already capable, worthy, and deserving of success, you create a powerful momentum. That momentum not only drives you forward, but also changes the way the world reacts to you. Imagine walking into a room full of people. If you walk in with slouched shoulders, downcast eyes, and an air of uncertainty, people will instinctively respond to that energy. You may not be consciously aware of it, but others are. They might underestimate your abilities, question your readiness, or overlook your potential. On the other hand, if you walk into that same room with your head held high, shoulders back, and the calm assurance that you belong there, you immediately command attention and respect. This isn't about being loud or seeking approval. It's about embodying a quiet confidence that says, I know my worth. When you believe you've already won, you exude that confidence naturally, and people respond to it. This self-belief also becomes a foundation for taking bolder actions. When you trust in your abilities, you're more willing to step outside of your comfort zone, take risks, and pursue opportunities that may seem daunting. You stop questioning whether you're good enough or ready enough because in your mind you're already there. This is the kind of confidence that pushes you to ask for what you want, to negotiate for better terms, and to pursue positions or goals that may have previously felt out of reach. The belief that you've already won removes the hesitation that holds so many people back. Another critical aspect of self-belief is how it affects your response to failure and setbacks. Without a strong foundation of confidence, failures can feel crushing. They can make you question your abilities or cause you to second-guess your path. But when you act as if you've already won, setbacks are simply part of the journey. They don't shake your core belief in yourself because you know they're temporary. You trust that success is inevitable, even if it's not immediate. This resilience, born from self-belief, allows you to keep moving forward even when the road gets tough. You become more focused on long-term goals and less discouraged by short-term challenges. This unwavering confidence also influences how others support you. People are naturally drawn to those who believe in themselves. When you exude self-belief, others are more likely to believe in you too. Whether it's a potential employer, a client, or a business partner, people want to invest their time, energy, and resources in someone who radiates confidence and competence. If you act as though success is a given, others will be more inclined to treat you as someone destined for success. They'll be more likely to offer opportunities, give support, or collaborate with you because they sense your determination and self-assuredness. It's also important to recognize that self-belief isn't something you wait for. It's something you cultivate. Too often, people think they need to achieve a certain level of success before they can truly believe in themselves. They think, once I land this job, then I'll feel confident, or once I reach this milestone, then I'll believe I can do it. But the truth is, confidence doesn't come after success, it comes before it. It's the belief that you are capable of success that enables you to take the actions necessary to achieve it. You don't wait for permission from the world to believe in yourself. You give yourself that permission and the world responds to it. The final point to consider is how this self-belief feeds into a positive cycle. When you act with confidence, you take bold actions. Those actions lead to results, and those results reinforce your confidence, making it easier to continue acting in alignment with your goals. Over time, this cycle builds momentum, and before you know it, the success you once visualized becomes a reality. This is how self-belief turns into self-fulfilling success. In summary, acting as if you've already won starts with cultivating an unshakable confidence in yourself. This confidence influences everything from the way you carry yourself to the decisions you make and how you respond to challenges. It changes the way others see you and increases the likelihood of your success. When you believe in yourself, the world will believe in you too. Visualization and preparation are integral components of achieving your goals, and they are deeply connected to the concept of acting as if you have already won. To effectively harness the power of these tools, you need to understand how they work together to bridge the gap between where you are now and where you want to be. Let's delve into how envisioning your success and preparing for it as if it's already a reality can dramatically enhance your journey toward achieving your goals. Visualization is a mental practice where you imagine yourself achieving your desired outcome. It involves more than just daydreaming. It requires a detailed and immersive mental simulation of the success you aim to achieve. When you engage in visualization, you create a vivid sensory experience in your mind that helps to solidify your goal. By visualizing your success, you activate the same neural pathways that would be used if you were actually experiencing the event. This mental rehearsal helps to prepare your mind and body for real-life performance. Imagine you're preparing for an important presentation or competition. Through visualization, you see yourself delivering your presentation confidently, engaging with your audience, and handling questions with ease. You imagine the room, the people, the sensations, everything as if it's happening in real time. This process does more than just build confidence. It familiarizes your mind with the scenario, making it easier to navigate when the actual event occurs. Your brain starts to recognize the situation as one you've successfully handled before, which reduces anxiety and increases your ability to perform effectively. But visualization alone isn't enough. It must be paired with concrete preparation to bring your envisioned success into reality. Preparation involves the practical steps you take to achieve your goals, and it must be undertaken with the same mindset that you are already on the path to success. This means setting clear, actionable steps that align with your vision and working diligently to accomplish them. For example, if your goal is to start a successful business, your preparation would involve creating a detailed business plan, researching your market, securing funding, and building your brand. You would need to break down these tasks into manageable steps and tackle them systematically. Acting as if you've already won means approaching these tasks with the certainty that they will lead to success, You invest time, resources, and effort into each aspect of your preparation because you are not preparing for a possibility but for a certainty. When you prepare with the mindset that success is a given, you approach each step with greater determination and focus. Your actions become more deliberate and aligned with your goals. You anticipate potential challenges and develop strategies to address them, knowing that overcoming these obstacles is part of the journey to success. This proactive approach ensures that you are not merely reacting to situations, but are actively shaping your path to achieve your desired outcome. The combination of visualization and preparation creates a powerful synergy. Visualization helps you to stay motivated and focused, while preparation transforms your mental image into tangible results. By envisioning your success and preparing for it, you build a foundation of confidence and competence that supports your journey. You create a clear roadmap and equip yourself with the tools needed to navigate it effectively. This practice fosters a strong sense of commitment and accountability. When you act as if you have already won, you hold yourself to higher standards. Your preparation becomes a reflection of your belief in your success. You're more likely to follow through on your commitments and push through challenges because you are driven by a vision of success that feels inevitable. This level of dedication reinforces your confidence and fuels your progress. In essence, visualization and preparation are about aligning your mindset and actions with the reality you want to create. By visualizing your success, you establish a clear mental picture of what you are working toward. This picture becomes a source of inspiration and a guide for your efforts. Meanwhile, preparation ensures that you are equipped to bring this vision to life through concrete actions and strategies. To fully leverage the power of visualization and preparation, make them regular practices. Set aside time each day to visualize your goals and to review and adjust your preparation strategies. This ongoing process helps you stay focused, adapt to changes, and maintain momentum. It also keeps your goals at the forefront of your mind, making them a central part of your daily actions and decisions.